Hi guys, I've got a big parcel from Zara. अभी मैं और पीची कहाँ जाएंगे बेटा? मॉल नहीं मॉल. जाना मॉल. हाँ हाँ बेटा. And there was so much discount. I ordered clothes for literally everyone. So let's go now and pick that parcel up. This is all the Zara packets we have got. Welcome to a vlog where I went crazy shopping at Zara. The thing is, mad discounts, and this is not just my stuff. Just shedding out some guilt. It was also stuff for my baby and my husband, and some gifting stuff that I bought. Let me show you everything I bought at Zara. Although, wait for the short haul video where I will show you the actual stuff that I kept. So I am going to unbox all these boxes now. Don't you just love Zara ka packaging? Like so pretty, all of them. The reason I bought so much stuff from Zara is because generally this is my way how I shop. ऐसा साल भर shopping नहीं करती. I wait for sale because it's very common कि Zara में जो नवंबर की first week में आपको जो मिल रहा होगा वो अचानक से discounted price पे आ जाएगा. I basically like block money on my credit card. इतना सामान खरीद लिया. Of course they expect return, so I try it out घर पे and then I return it. Don't you think it's easier, especially अगर आप mum हो या parents हो, don't you think it's easier to try on stuff at home? Like right now पीची सो रही है. कितने ही कपड़े देख लोगे मॉल के अंदर? आप कितने ही कपड़े देख लोगे? You will be constantly like in a rush या whatever. और weekday में you cannot go जब बच्चा nursery में जाता है. So I think this is a great way to shop. So I'm going to start with my first bucket. Let me show you all the baby clothes I got. Cute little dungaree for Peachy. Cute little jeans for Peachy. Another corduroy dungaree. Because winters. Skirt for Peach. This is so cute. Can you blame me? Another cute little jeans for Peach. Another cute little skirt for Peach. A little beanie hat for Peach. And this is like wool, so I didn't want to miss out on this one. This is basically body suits for Peachy, if you see this. So now I'm going to do this entire thing very systematically. So I'm gonna stack all the boxes in one corner. I'm going to make a bucket of things I might keep, and whatever I have to return, I will return in these boxes. Let's do it. ये देख लो. तुम्हारी बेटी का कपड़ा.
So the deciding person has come. ये तो मेरे एम्प्लॉई हैं.
इतना घमंड.
ये दुकान खुला है यहाँ पे. ज़ारा दुकान. हम पार्टी में थे और हमको फोन आता है. शशांक हमारा. हाँ क्या हुआ पीछे ठीक है. सेल लग गया है.
कितना बजे लगना था? 9 बजे लगना था.
9 बजे लगना था
या 9 बजे लगना था और हम 8:55 से ज़ारा का वेबसाइट
रिलोड
रिलोड.
हम बोले ऑर्डर कर दो. हमको क्या पता बह जाएगी.
बह गए हम शशांक, तुम्हारे बिना बह गए.
दिखाओ, हम डिसाइड करेंगे क्या रहेगा क्या नहीं रहेगा.
बिल्ली तुम सब बॉक्स में डाल के रिटर्न कर दोगे प्लीज.
बाय.
प्लीज. सच में मेरा सारा सामान शशांक रिटर्न करता है. मेरा हस्बैंड जैसा कोई हस्बैंड नहीं है.
चलो
जल्दी
शुरू करो.
लेट्स स्टार्ट.
दिखाओ.
हमारी बेटी का है. ठीक है, ये इसमें से चुनो हमारी बेटी के लिए एक मोटा जैकेट एकदम.
ये जैकेट
लेकिन अंदर देखो बहुत मोटा है ये.
बहुत मोटा है.
वही हम सोच रहे हैं, यूके के लिए है भी ये जैकेट.
बस एक पहना के निकाल लेने के लिए.
हाँ मतलब उसके लिए बहुत सही है.
हम लोग को तो स्ट्रेस ही रहता है कि ओवर ये तो नहीं है.
और ना ये 3 इयर्स के लिए, तो ये अगले साल भी चलेगा. यूएस भी जाएगी. तो
कितने का है उस पर डिपेंड करेगा. अगर इट्स डर्ट चीप में तुमको अगर ये मिला है तो we can keep it as a substitute jacket. नर्सरी जाने के लिए परफेक्ट है काला.
Actually, I'm not giving you full information. Like ideally, I should also tell you
The
कितने
price.
का है ना. ये देखो ये स्कर्ट, एक और स्कर्ट
बहुत
आएगा.
cute. Oh.
Yeah, it's a skirt.
Oh, अच्छा. ठीक है. Good है. Good है.
Kids, I've got some really nice jackets for my husband
जल्दी दो,
also.
जल्दी दो.
Just 2 of them. पहले ये वाला try करो. This leather one.
क्या साइज है? It's huge.
L. We can ask for another size. It's a cord jacket and I thought it was very very nice. Like I really like the fabric of this. Hey! सबका हो गया. अब मेरा टाइम आ गया है. So let's see everything I have bought. So excited. Got a little bag as well. Also got like these work shoes because it looks very very smart on ankle length trousers. Jackets. Yeah, I think I've got everything in bigger size. But what do you think of this jacket? Got another stylish jacket. What do you think, Shashank? नहीं ना? ये अजीब उठ नहीं गया है. And this final jacket, this is more like style वाला jacket. मेरे पास ये था एक H&M का कम ठंड वाला jacket. ये zip अच्छे से चल नहीं रहा है वैसे तो. ये Zara का product है.
बहुत पतला लग रहा है.
हाँ पतला है. कम ठंड के लिए है. This looks so classy. I love it. Shashank, what do you think?
It's very classy.
कुछ फिट आ जाता है और बहुत अच्छा लगता है तो लगता है मेहनत सफल हो गई. मेरे पैसे ले लो प्लीज. What do you think?
टाइट है. एक साइज बड़ा बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Unfortunately.
Who got another grey top? Okay, this color is like amazing. Like the biggest criteria for me is कि I should feel like super comfortable and this is so bad. I love this top, but it doesn't look good on me. No, I love this top. ये तो बहुत tight है. I was obsessed with this one. Like I wanted to get a white flowy, like very linenish European summers feel top, and I think I have it in my wardrobe now. Believe it or not, I have nothing like this. Do you like it? I had to take out the socks because ताकि शशांक को ऐसा ना लगे कि ये कैसा लग रहा है. Now comes the difficult part, also the important part. I'm going to sort out all this mess here, and I'm going to make sure that I make a short haul video just where you will see the full styling and all the clothes. Of course, I have not worn everything today, but अभी मैं returns करूँगी पहले तो, the ones that I don't want, because I like to be stress free. I don't want to like keep things and hoard things. I'm not a hoarder. I'm last hoarder in this world. Morning guys, it's the next morning. कल रात को literally 12 बज गया था. So now I am doing all the returns. And I'm packing everything one by one in boxes to return now. ये है मेरे room का हालत अभी. These are some things that I'm keeping. In love with this bag. In love with these shoes. They're just so stylish. Mummy is in this room, beta, guest room. Wow! Peachy, did you make that? It's so pretty, beta. You're so good at it. Let's make it on this page now, okay? Can you make it on this one?
Yes, and it froze.
रुको मम्मा आपका हेयर ठीक कर देगी. आपका हेयर ठीक कर देगी. रुको ये.
करते रहना.
That's so pretty. Are you an artist?
Yes.
Same. Well done. Now do you want to do it in a new page? We will do bigger one, okay? Slowly and big. Out. One. Okay. So that's all the stuff that we are keeping. These are my tops that I'm keeping. Some shoes and bags. I bought 2 bags, one for my mom-in-law. और yeah. Order करना एक चीज़ है, try करना second चीज़ है, return करना third thing है. But for me, what really matters is like really making sure that they are put in the boxes, they have gone back to return. Before my next calculation, the money should come back. I would each day, every day, every shopping want to do it. Not in the mall, but online shopping. Hi baby, what are you doing? What have you got? Show me. What's in your pocket?
And then green and yellow nail polish.
Green and yellow nail polish. Cutie, cutie.